Mesosome. Today's topic is mesosome of bacteria. When cell membrane invaginate means when cell membrane pinches inward. For example, this is a bacteria cell and this structure is called mesosome. Form of mesosome are vesicle, tubule and lamella. When bacteria cell form mesosome in this structure, this is called vesicle form. When mesosome of bacteria cell are in this form, this is called tubular structure. And when mesosome of bacterial cell in this form, this is called lamellar structure. Function of mesosome are DNA replication and cell division. DNA replication means chromosome of DNA of bacteria attached to mesosome and cell divide in opposite. Half of the chromosome in one enter into one bacteria cell and half of the chromosome enter into another bacterial cell. Mesosome export exocellular enzyme. What are the exocellular enzyme? Exocellular are enzyme secreted by cell to function outside the cell. What function exocellular enzyme do? These function are food digestion. These food are complex and bacteria secrete enzyme to digest this food. The next is mesosome contain respiratory enzyme. What are the respiratory enzyme? Respiratory enzyme are group of enzyme. Respiratory enzyme are group of enzyme located in mitochondria that are essential for cellular respiration to produce ATP. Mitochondria is not present in bacteria, but mesosome contain respiratory enzyme in the cell membrane. In what part of cell membrane? Mesosome part. And in this mesosome part, respiration occur from which bacteria get ATP. So our lecture of bacteria structure of mesosome end here.